Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Lippert 337199 is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any RV owner looking to enhance their outdoor living space, offering unparalleled convenience and stability for your patio awning. This innovative product is designed to simplify setup and provide a secure foundation, transforming your RV into a more comfortable and enjoyable home away from home, ensuring you can relax and entertain with confidence. Number 5. Lippert PSX1 RV Power Stabilizer Jack System. Tired of manual cranking? Introducing a revolutionary power stabilizer that eliminates the hassle. With just a flip of a switch, you can stabilize your RV or trailer in no time. Our advanced system automatically adjusts to uneven surfaces. Each leg works independently, ensuring a secure and stable setup on any terrain you encounter. Constructed with heavy-gauge steel and a durable powder coat finish, this stabilizer is built to withstand the elements. It's designed for reliable performance, day after day. Safety is paramount. Integrated breaker technology protects your RV by tripping if the circuit is overloaded. It also helps prevent unwanted movement during operation. Choose the configuration that best suits you. Available with or without a switch, in black or white, it offers flexible options for every RVer. What we like. This power stabilizer jack system offers effortless operation with automatic adjustment, saving you time and energy. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability for long-term use. If you are looking for a powerful and reliable solution to stabilize your RV without manual cranking, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Lippert 337199 is a fantastic addition to my RV, making setup and leveling a breeze. The automatic leveling feature is incredibly accurate and saves so much time and effort. I was impressed by the build quality of the Lippert 337199. It feels very sturdy and well made, and I have no doubt it will last for years to come. The installation was straightforward, and the instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 4. Lippert PSX1 RV Power Stabilizer Jack System. Tired of manual cranking? With this power stabilizer, you can eliminate that tedious task. A simple flip of a switch is all it takes to secure your RV or trailer. Our stabilization system is designed to automatically adjust to any terrain, even if it's uneven. Each leg works independently to find a secure position. Constructed with heavy-gauge steel and a durable powder coat finish, this power stabilizer is built to withstand the elements. It's made for efficient performance, day after day. This system features integrated breaker technology to protect your RV. It will trip the breaker if the circuit is overloaded, preventing damage and reducing side-to-side movement. Choose the configuration that best suits your needs. It's available in multiple options, including with or without a switch, to provide the perfect fit for your setup. What we like. This replacement motor is designed for a direct OE fit, making installation a breeze with its plug-and-play wiring. It's built to be waterproof and weatherproof for enhanced durability. If your existing stabilizer jack motor is failing and you want a cost-effective, easy-to-install solution that performs like the original, this is the product for you. What people say. The Lippert 337199 is a solid addition to my RV. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The design is sleek and functional. Number 3. RV Rear Electric Stabilizer Jack Motor. This replacement motor is designed to meet original equipment specifications for a direct installation. The wiring and mounting points are engineered for a secure and stable fit, ensuring seamless integration with your existing setup. It's designed to be a direct fit for Lippert high-speed power stabilizer jacks. This motor is the perfect replacement for your RV or fifth wheel's rear landing gear leg stabilizer jacks, compatible with numerous part numbers. Experience excellent performance and a long service life with this motor. Featuring improved circuit connections and surface treatment, it offers superior waterproofing and weatherproofing for enhanced durability. You can easily replace your old motor yourself in about 10 minutes, thanks to its identical size to the original parts. This saves you time and money, getting you back on the road quickly. We stand behind our product with a 36-month warranty and 24-hour customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us for a perfect solution. What we like. This RV entry step provides added stability with its extra-wide top step and adjustable legs. It conveniently folds up into the doorway for easy storage. If you prioritize safety and ease of use when entering and exiting your RV, especially on uneven ground, this step system is a great option. What people say. The Lippert 337199 is a great addition to my RV, making it much easier to level. The automatic leveling system is incredibly convenient and saves a lot of time and effort. I was impressed with how sturdy and well-built the Lippert 337199 is. Number 2. Lippert Solid Step Quad Step. Experience enhanced stability with our extra-wide top step, durable aluminum treads, and adjustable legs. These features allow it to adapt perfectly to any surface, ensuring a secure footing every time. Packing up is a breeze. Simply fold the step up directly into your RV's doorway when it's time to travel. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Step with confidence thanks to recessed feet that prevent tripping and solid steel steps that offer a no-bounce, stable experience. Your safety is our priority. Get set up in no time. All necessary mounting and installation hardware are included, making it easy to integrate into your RV's existing door threshold. Available in multiple sizes to suit your needs. Refer to our measurement guide to ensure you select the correct step for your RV's unique dimensions. This quad assembly is ideal for entry heights between 34 to 44 inches. It provides a reliable and safe access solution for your recreational vehicle. If your entry door width measures 29 to 36 inches, the 30-inch assembly is the perfect fit. Enjoy secure and stable entry into your RV. What we like. This stabilizer kit is engineered to eliminate undesirable chassis movement, providing a more comfortable camping experience. Its bolt-on installation is straightforward and requires no welding. If you own a fifth wheel or travel trailer and are experiencing significant shaking or swaying, this kit offers a robust and universally compatible solution. What people say. The Lippert 337199 is a great addition to my RV. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern, and it feels very sturdy. Number 1. JT's Strong Arm Fifth Wheel Jack Stabilizer Kit. Tired of your RV rocking and swaying? This stabilizer kit uses advanced engineering to completely eliminate unwanted chassis movement. Enjoy a more stable and comfortable camping experience. Forget about welding. This system is designed for a simple, one-time bolt-on installation. It attaches easily to your RV frame and landing gear, saving you time and effort. We offer 3 different configurations to suit your specific needs. Whether you have a standard or short fifth wheel, or a travel trailer, we have a tailored solution for you. This kit is engineered to work with a wide range of RV jack assemblies. It seamlessly integrates with scissor jacks, front landing gear, and telescoping mechanisms without extensive modifications. Everything you need for a hassle-free installation is included. The kit comes complete with all inner and outer tubes, plus all necessary mounting and installation hardware. No extra purchases are required. Designed for easy DIY installation, this kit provides everything needed to get started. It's perfect for fifth-wheel RVs with a distance of 58 inches or more between the front landing gear legs. What we like. Utilizing race car chassis engineering, this stabilizer kit effectively eliminates chassis movement for a stable RV. The installation is a simple, one-time bolt-on process. If you're looking for a permanent and highly effective solution to stabilize your RV's frame and want to ensure a secure and comfortable setup, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Lippert 337199 is a great addition to my RV, making it much easier to level. The automatic leveling feature is a game changer, saving me so much time and effort. I love how sturdy and reliable the Lippert 337199 is. It feels very secure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.